what's up guys, I'm KBHD here. Welcome to the unboxing of the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max, all in their new green. So first of all, the boxes. They are going back to different colored boxes again, which I dig. So iPhone 11s will have white boxes, and iPhone 11 Pros will have matte black boxes. Last time we got this was, I believe, iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. But both will have the colored logos and the colored text. So inside the box, again, classic phone up top. And interestingly, the phone only has that peel-off plastic on the front and not the back this time. I kind of thought this was maybe only because it's the matte phone, but even on the glossy iPhone 11, it has the plastic on just the front. Okay, so underneath the phones, they all come with that little packet with two white stickers in it again. No fancy colored stickers, just the white Apple stickers. And then there's the Lightning earphones again. So nothing special, no AirPods included in the box or anything wild for the price, just the Lightning earpods. And then beside that, finally, here's what's new. There's an included 18-watt USB Type-C fast charging brick in the box, and then a USB Type-C to Lightning cable. So this is the new default iPhone charging solution, the brick and the cable that you'll start to see everywhere. Why not just go USB Type-C all the way to the phone? I don't know, could just be a Lightning licensing thing, kind of stubborn, but there you have it. The iPhone 11, however, the non-Pro, still comes with the garbage, barely functional 5-watt USB-A to Lightning charger in that box. Disappointing, even if the phone is $700. But anyway, there you have it. That's the unboxing of the midnight green iPhone 11 Pro and all its matte finish glory, the iPhone 11 Pro Max and its noticeably heavier self, and the glossy iPhone 11 looking very familiar. Green is a new color for all these new phones, and for some reason, maybe I'm just not seeing it, but everyone seems to love the greens. And so, taking a closer look at it here in person in the studio, it's solid. I definitely don't hate it, but I'd still personally go for the space gray. But now that we have the greens here, let's take a closer look at this color, and for those of you still debating if you want to get this color or not, you'll see it. So with the midnight green of the iPhone 11 Pro, I'd say it's slightly different from the green you see on the box. So the box kind of makes it look a little bit lighter, but it is in fact a bit more muted. In fact, if you put it on this color chart, you'd sort of expect it to be closest to this sort of military green, but as soon as you drop them next to each other, it's not.